everybody, I am Josh. I am the social media coordinator here at Blackjack. So all of those comments and all of those pictures, that all comes from me. But I am actually on site today with the guys who do the real work, and we are here at our Marigold project in Welland, Ontario, and it is service day, which means we are updating the outside electrical service.
Hey guys, we're back again. Just wanted to explain what we did here real quick now that it's kind of tidied up and not a mess. So this panel here is going to be for the basement. It is an unfinished basement right now, so there's only a furnace circuit in it right now for the air conditioner because it's getting a little warm. And this disconnect actually feeds the panel upstairs, but the panel upstairs is too far from where the entrance of this conduit leads, so by code it needs a disconnect down here. So yeah, we're just gonna finish up here and wait for Hydra to come back and hook us back up.
So yes, thank you everybody for checking this video out. Hope you learned a little something and a little bit about what we do here at Blackjack. And thank you, Andy, for taking the time to explain stuff. And yes, so if you kind of enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to us here at Blackjack Contracting Inc. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or send us an email through our website, blackjackcontractinginc.ca. So again, thank you for checking us out, and we will see you on the next project.